Step 1. Teamwork time. Wash the glassware with warm water and soap. Dry thoroughly and wipe surface with rubbing alcohol. Allow the alcohol to dry before applying your paint pens. If needed, you can dry the surface with a paper towel. Our Islamic-inspired design is available for download on the Freer Sackler website. 2 sizes are included in the PDF download: a larger sized hexagon created to fit a 7-inch vase, and a smaller sized hexagon created to fit a 2-inch tea light holder. We have a 7-inch vase, so we are going to cut the template for the 7-inch vase. Once your Islamic-inspired design is cut out, tape it to the interior of your glass vessel. Make sure your template is taped as evenly as possible. Now comes the fun part. We get to use paint pens to color in our design. Select whatever colors you would like. Today we're choosing gold, dark blue, light blue, and white to fill out our Islamic hexagon. Sometimes drawing on glass is difficult because the template design appears separate from the glass surface. It may be helpful to close one eye in order to maintain a consistent perspective. If the Islamic design is too complicated, use the design and colors of your choice. Sometimes paint pens create translucent marks, and it's necessary to go over it several times. Don't be discouraged, it's part of the process. If you've made a mistake, don't worry. You can use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to erase as little or as much of the design as you'd like. Once your outline is finished, feel free to color in as you'd like. We chose dark blue, light blue, and white to finish off our design. After you're finished coloring in your design, remove the template from the interior of the vase or candle votive. Be careful because your paints are still wet and you can accidentally smear them, although they should be pretty stable. Hold your design up to the light and see if there are any visible areas that need to be filled in. It's helpful to look through the back of the vase. Now we're ready to fire our vase in our conventional oven. Now it's time to place our painted glassware in the oven. An adult takes the lead on this step. The adult will place the painted glassware in a cool oven and turn the oven to 350 degrees, allowing the oven to heat the glassware gradually and bake on the design. The baking portion will take 20 minutes. Once 20 minutes has passed, turn the oven off and do not remove the glassware until it cools completely. This will prevent the glassware from cracking in the cool air. Work with an adult to fill 3/4 of the vase with water. Pour 1/4 inch layer of lamp oil or vegetable oil on top of the water. We are going to use 3 floating wicks for our 7-inch vase. 1 floating wick is appropriate for the tea light. Before an adult uses any fire, we want to make sure we wipe off any extra oil that happened to spill on our hands. Now we're ready for the magic to happen. Ensure an adult lights the wicks. Make sure your flame is never unattended and always use caution. enjoy your glimmering glass lamp. Make sure to extinguish all flames before leaving the room.